Hey guys, so we're at the beach, and my sister's throwing sand in the water, and it's not cold today, obviously, because I wouldn't be in it if it was cold, and the sand is so, soggy and stuff, obviously, because the water's hitting it, and the waves are not strong. You can hear it, obviously. They may look strong, but they're not strong. And I wrote my name and my sister's name. It says Katie and Vanessa. And right now it's 7:26 here. Where I live, it may be a different time. That's a nice heart. My sister. She's small. So, whoa! My camera just almost fell inside the ocean. Oh my god. That just scared me. That just literally scared me. I got so scared. Lucky I grabbed it. So it's very nice outside. Let's see. And what's my name? Now when people come to the beach, they'll see my name and my sister's name, Vanessa and Katie. Well, it says Katie and Vanessa. Like shells here. So you kind of when I go in deeper. Towards this side there was no crab, and towards that side there was crab. So in this side there's no crabs. Let's take you into the water. I can't. There's like shells and it hurts. Ready? I'm gonna go in. Shells. Yeah, but it hurts like ouch. You go in.
Can you go in?
I already did go in.
The deep water?
No, I can't. Then I'm gonna wet my whole body. I don't want to wet my whole body.
I do. I just saw a crab.
Okay. No, you didn't. There's no crabs on this side. There's crabs on the other side. I'll go in. Oh, I can't. These shells hurt. Come in with me.
Okay.
I will.
I'm kind of scared, Katie.
There is no crabs here. Oh, there's a crab over there.
There's a crab!
Oh, I hurt my feet. I'm joking. There's no crabs. There was only one, but it was over there. I just saw it. The sun. Really?
Katie, you like my heart?
I wish the water could hit our name, but it'll destroy it if it hits our name. Let me grab it. Watch. I'm gonna destroy this name a little bit. Whatever name is it. Save it. I'll destroy it. Watch.